BPI 2400 really defines a standardized process to calibrate pre-retrofit energy models to historic utility bills. In whole house energy efficiency programs, utility bill calibration to BPI 2400 is one of the most important predictors of modeling accuracy.
Okay. So just to be clear, we're sort of bursting the myth that 2400 is some list of software products, right? It is not that, but it is a methodology within a software product that is utilized to predict energy savings.
For better or worse, I was present at the birth of 2400. So the whole idea behind 2400 was get the utility bills. And then once you've got the utility bills for the home, run your model and see if your model will predict the home's historic consumption. If it does, fantastic. Thumbs up, you've got a great model. If it does not predict the home's energy consumption, probably your model has a problem. So that's really what BPI's 2400 is about. It's about using energy bills to put a check on the model and make sure it's not way, way off through the use of actual historic energy usage.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.